Hey guys, welcome to the Self-Help Decks of Hani, powered by RF Education with Hani. Thank you so much for your love and support. Those who have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do like, share and subscribe. So today my topic is about sometimes we want to speak in English but mind goes blank. Okay, so now what to do for this? Like we are eager to talk, we want to talk, but mind goes blank. So first of all, I want to say that whatever you want to speak or whatever you want to tell, please be confident. As I always say, confidence will change your way of speaking and way of thinking, everything. If you are school going or college going or you are working somewhere, then you should be confident. Always wear your confident, breaking the glass ceiling type. Yeah. So when your mind goes blank, always remember that these things happen when there is a lack of practice. So when there is a lack of practice, always give most of your time to practice. And sometimes it also happens that you do a lot practice, but still sometimes you are nervous and word doesn't come to your mind. So for that purpose, use substitute. Sometimes at our home, like we want to drink tea or coffee or something very hot, and especially in the summertime. And like suppose I'm giving you just an example, like at your home, if suppose there is no coffee, then what you will do? You will use tea to make yourself satisfied. Okay, so like that only you have to use a substitute whatever you are speaking, not to go in the initial stage very advanced level, just be in the low level, or you can say the intermediate level, or you can say the basic level, not low level, actually basic level you can be at, and slowly you can go to the intermediate level. This thing will definitely change it. And I always suggest my client or suggest my students that always try to involve yourself in that type of particular situation where you have to use, where it become compulsory to speak in English, like talk to the foreigners, or if you are going to visit any, especially like monument things, so there you can see a lot of foreigners. So you can talk to them, because at that time of point, because foreigner don't know any language, so you have to speak in that language only. So it becomes compulsory for you. You can say no way out, you have to speak in English. So always involve yourself in such type of situations. Alright. So it becomes difficult for us to speak up in English because we are exposed to the different varieties of languages. Okay. Now when we talk about Americans, they are only exposed to only one type of language, that is English. That's why they speak very fluently. But when also their child starts speaking, they also start with a very few words. Like our children start speaking with a very few words, the very same way. There's not any difference. Alright? So you have to do practice. You have to involve yourself in a situation where you have to speak only in English most of the time. And lots of apps are also there. First start yourself with the basic level and then come to intermediate and then advanced level. Okay, and while speaking, if your mind goes blank, always try to use a substitute. Don't go like in the very initial stage, the advanced level. So I hope you guys have got it, and thank you so much for being with me. I know nowadays I am not posting so much, little bit I am busy with my stuff, so sorry for that, but please guys, be with me. Thank you so much for your love and support. So this is Hani signing off. Till then.